Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some chicken kebabs with a Latin accent to them. So the first thing that we want to do is marinate our chicken and marinate that for at least an hour or two. So we're going to jump right in and I'm going to talk about our ingredients. So I have a couple people different eating this. So I have some chicken breast and I have some chicken thighs. Chicken thighs obviously being dark meat, chicken breast being white meat. I have a spice mix with salt, chili powder, granulated garlic, paprika, black pepper, and cumin. I have some lime juice, fresh cilantro, and some olive oil. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. All the ingredients will be listed in the description down below. I'm just going to divide this up between the two. Some lime juice in. Some cilantro. The one thing I didn't put in my spice mix is cayenne pepper. If you like things spicy, feel free to add like a quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon of cayenne to make it a bit spicy. As far as the oil goes, just a little bit. You don't need a lot of oil. Just gonna mix this up very well. I'm gonna put these back in the refrigerator and just let them sit for about 2 hours, and then I'll show you what to do with them. I will see you shortly. So our chicken for our chicken skewers has been marinating for probably right about 2 hours now, and now I'm gonna put it on skewers. A couple things with me. Very often people will put vegetables in between the chicken. I normally don't like to do that because I find that the vegetables have different cooking times, and either one vegetable might be either very overcooked or very undercooked, but very rarely is it the exact same cooking time as the chicken. So I have two different types of chicken here. I have both breast and I have thighs. Thighs are generally thinner. So because it's thin, I'm just gonna actually fold it in half and then put it on the skewer. Just like so. Try not to stick yourself. So I'm gonna do all of the thighs, and also I'm just gonna show you breast as well. The breasts are generally a bit thicker, so they're easier. You don't have to fold them in half. Anyway, once they're all on a skewer, I'll show you what we're gonna do next with them. All right, so I'll see you in a bit. Before I started to skewer my chicken, I actually soaked the skewers in water for probably about 20 minutes or half an hour. That way when they go on the grill, they won't burn, so they'll look a little bit better. Just so you know that. So now we're gonna grill our chicken skewers. I'm just gonna put them on. And these will probably take 15 to 20 minutes, I'm gonna guess. Right now the grill's on high, but in like 2 minutes I'm gonna put it down to medium. And I'll show you what they'll look like in a few minutes. So our chicken has been cooking for probably about 4 minutes, and I'm just gonna turn these over. They smell delicious. Can't wait. And I'll show you what they look like in another 4 or 5 minutes. Our chicken skewers have been cooking for another few minutes. This is the white meat chicken, and this is actually done already. So I'm gonna take these off. These I'm just gonna turn because they're not quite done. I should go this way at this point. Getting close to done. Maybe another minute or two. And I'll show you what they look like in 2 more minutes. So our chicken has been cooking probably about 10, 12 minutes in total. And it's actually just about done. And maybe like just another minute or two and it will be done. So I'm gonna take it off in about 2 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like. So in total, our chicken kebabs have been on the grill for about 15, maybe 17 minutes, and they're definitely done. And I'm gonna go put this on a plate. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll have my dinner. So our chicken kebabs are now done. I put them on a bed of quinoa. I cooked off a little bit of white rice, and I'm serving it with my grilled vegetables. And I'm happy now because my dinner is now ready. So anyway, I'm gonna just try the chicken. Really, really, really good. So anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.